Hello, friends. Hope you all are fine. In my last video, I had mentioned that I would be undergoing my investigations PET scan. Usually, every year, I have a PET scan followed by gastroscopy just to check how I'm holding on. So, my scan 3 years post treatment was done. Afterwards, gastroscopy was done, and then I'm happy that I'm clear of cancer 3 years post treatment. Now, this is an important milestone in the journey. Statistically, for the cancer I had, it was a third stage cancer, T3N1M0. T3 is third stage, N1 is there was a metastasis to one node, and M0 means it was restricted only to main body part as esophagus. It had not spread to other areas. Statistically, median life post treatment is 13 months, but I've finished almost 36 months, 35 months when I tested. 5 year survival rate is only 10%. I've finished 3. Hopefully, I will beat that number. But then this is just a journey. I mean, you have to deal with the situation based on what you get as a result. I don't want to think too much about what's going to happen in the coming year or year after that. One must always remain positive about life, get into routine activities as otherwise you would have done. Try to find happiness. At this age, I'm 62, I'll be 62 a couple of weeks down the line. Then I decided that I would like to live for myself, do a little bit of adventure. So last month I purchased Triumph 400. It's a motorcycle. I made one trip to Mumbai on motorcycle. Really has given me massive neck pain, but fine. I still enjoyed it. So the point is, one should try to live the life the way you were otherwise you would have done it as a normal person. I find myself to be a normal person whenever I talk to people. Generally, the reactions are you have done well, and then I hope you'll be fine. But then the hidden messages are we never expected you to do so well. So wish you best of luck. So try to the general tendency is to try to read between the lines and try to find out what one is trying to say. Now at this age, the challenge is how to deal with the stress, because stress is cause for many diseases, and then I don't want stress to come in a way, and I don't want recurrence at any cost. The challenge is how to choose between money and your health. It's a difficult question. I think irrespective of cancer, everyone who is passing through this particular stage would be facing it. How much money is enough? Whatever you have, it is never enough. But then one has to find a proper balance between what you have and what you need. So this dilemma is going on. We are in the final month of the financial year. The last week, huge pressure of sales numbers in the organization where I'm working right now. But generally, things are fine. I wanted to convey this to everyone who is probably watching these videos. There are not too many, but then all those who are watching these videos. The message is, when the statistics is so against me or against the disease or against the stage of the disease, I think I've done pretty well. It's all because of good wishes from people like you, family, friends, and my strong desire to fight it out, to remain positive all the time. ये दिन भी निकल जाएंगे. So keep that thing in mind. Enjoy your life. Try to live like a normal person. This is typically for those cancer patients who are watching this video. Live the life the way you are otherwise living the life, and don't think about what is going to happen. Whatever has to happen will happen. I think about it. So that's it for now. Maybe after 6 months I will have my sonography. Maybe I'll post one video after that, or but that's just a routine checkup, just to check the body whether they find something, because radiation cannot be given very frequently. So every 6 months post PET scan I do sonography, just general checkup of the body if they find something. After that, or maybe if I find something, or if I'm able to write a book in between that, then once I've posted, I've published the book, if I really do it, then I'll post one. Until then, bye. Take care.